Having the right clothes steamer is important to keep your wardrobe and home textiles looking fresh and wrinkle-free with minimal effort. These devices offer a straightforward solution for removing creases effortlessly, suitable for everything from delicate fabrics to heavy drapes and upholstered items. We've researched and selected the top clothes steamers for you. For more information on each product, check the links in the description below. So, let's start. The first on our list is the Electrolux Handheld Steamer. The Electrolux portable clothes steamer brings your clothes back to life with a touch of professionalism and ease, ensuring that every crease and wrinkle vanishes like magic. Within a mere 30 seconds, this device is heated up and ready to transform your clothes from frazzled to impressively crisp. It's not just about the speed. This steamer's ceramic sole plate glides over any fabric, from delicate silk to sturdy cotton, making it a versatility companion for your entire wardrobe and even your curtains. With 18 minutes of continuous steam, it guarantees your outfits and home textiles will look sharp and clean without the hassle of a traditional iron. Using this handheld steamer couldn't be simpler. Just move it up and down over your clothes, bedding, or drapes and watch as wrinkles disappear, leaving everything straight and smooth. The added 2-in-1 fabric and lint brush feature ensures that your textiles are not just wrinkle-free but also clean and presentable. Packaged in a beautiful, heat-resistant box, it's ready to be gifted to someone special or to become a prized addition to your home essentials. Safety is paramount with the Electrolux handheld steamer, which employs pump steam technology to prevent leaks and spills, giving you peace of mind whether you're steaming vertically or horizontally. With adjustable steam levels, you're in full control, tailoring the steaming intensity to your specific needs. And with a 12-foot-long cord, you'll have the flexibility to reach across rooms effortlessly. This steamer is not just about making your clothes look good, it's about offering convenience, safety, and versatility for a wide range of fabrics. This device stands out by offering an unparalleled ability to smooth out wrinkles on various fabrics and upholstery, while also having the power to eliminate 99.9% of germs, dust mites, and even bed bugs, thanks to its robust steam capabilities. Crafted from durable plastic, it's designed for longevity and performance, all while being incredibly user-friendly. Operating this turbo handheld steamer is a breeze. It heats up in just 40 seconds and boasts a 7.3-ounce water tank, providing up to 15 minutes of continuous potent steam. Its quilted aluminum steamer plate, coupled with a built-in creaser, mimics the effect of a freshly ironed shirt, delivering that crisp, pressed look without the need for an ironing board. Conair goes the extra mile by including a 3-in-1 attachment with the Turbo Extreme Steam. This includes a silicone band for pulling fabric tight, a delicate fabric spacer to safeguard fine fabrics and trims, and a bristle brush to ensure deep fiber penetration for optimal steaming on even the heaviest fabrics. This attention to detail ensures that regardless of the textile, from the most robust upholstery to delicate garments, the results are consistently flawless. Beyond its immediate benefits, Conair's Turbo Extreme Steam positions itself as an essential tool in maintaining the freshness and smoothness of garments, upholstery, and curtains. With the Conair Fabric Steamer line, which includes handheld, upright, and travel steamers, there's a solution for every need, ensuring your textiles remain in pristine condition. The third on our list is the Lithy Upgrade Steamer. This steamer elevates the concept of garment care to new heights with its professional-grade functionality and impressive 1,500-watt power supply. This isn't just another handheld steamer. It's a super wrinkle remover that harnesses the latest advancements in nozzle technology to deliver powerful, penetrating steam. With its capability to reach over 80% of those tricky, hard-to-reach fabric areas, it not only smooths wrinkles, but also eliminates odors, ensuring your clothes are not just wrinkle-free, but also fresh. The device is engineered to prevent water leakage, making it both safe and reliable for restoring your favorite garments to their pristine condition. Featuring a high-definition LCD screen, this steamer warms up in a record 20 seconds, standing out as the most potent handheld clothes steamer available. The LCD screen allows you to easily select the steam setting and monitor the heating process, ensuring you're always in control. This feature is especially helpful for removing unhealthy substances that linger on the surface of fabrics, providing you with cleaner and safer clothing. Designed with portability in mind, the Lithy Upgrade Steamer is an ideal companion for travelers and business professionals alike. Its lightweight build and easy maneuverability make it perfect for on-the-go use. With a 300 milliliter water tank, it offers up to 20 minutes of continuous steam, minimizing the hassle of frequent refills and saving time. An automatic shutdown feature activates if the steamer overheats or the water level drops too low, ensuring user safety. The fourth on our list is the Conair FullSize Steamer. This full-size fabric steamer brings the professional steaming experience right into your home with its robust 1500 watts of power, ensuring a quick 45-second heat-up time and up to 70 minutes of continuous, high-velocity steam. This steamer is all about giving you control and convenience for a seamless garment care experience. It features a telescoping pole that adjusts for height and a T-nozzle with a 5-foot Cool Touch insulated hose, making it safe and comfortable to use. The 360-degree rotating hanger, complete with clips for steaming pants, simplifies the process of de-wrinkling your entire wardrobe, while the easy roll casters offer the mobility needed to freshen up garments all around your home. Beyond its powerful steam capabilities, this Conair steamer is designed with your garments and home textiles' best look in mind. It effortlessly smooths and freshens fabrics, from clothes to drapes and upholstery, thanks to a removable 80-ounce water tank that's easy to fill. Additionally, an auto shutoff feature activates when the water level gets too low, ensuring safety and peace of mind. The convenience doesn't end there. A cord wrap feature allows for tidy storage when not in use. The Conair Ultimate Fabric Steamer not only helps you achieve that perfectly smooth and fresh look in a hurry, but also offers significant savings on dry cleaning bills. With 90 minutes of steaming power and an energy-saving steam pause feature, you can efficiently refresh any garment. This steamer also contributes to a healthier home environment by killing dust mites and bed bugs. The last on our list is the Highlife Handheld Steamer. This 700-watt steamer is equipped with the power to generate gentle yet long-lasting steam, ensuring your clothes get the care they need without the harshness of traditional ironing. Its 9-foot power cord is a simple but revolutionary feature, allowing you the freedom to move around and steam your clothes from a comfortable distance, making it perfect for use in any room of your home. Portability is at the heart of the Highlife steamer's design. Its lightweight, compact build makes it an indispensable travel companion, fitting effortlessly into any suitcase or carry-on luggage. Despite its small size, it boasts a large 240 milliliter water tank, providing up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming. This capacity ensures you can smooth out the wrinkles in several outfits on a single fill, ideal for those last-minute touch-ups before meetings or sightseeing. The steamer's strong, penetrating steam is its standout feature, capable of handling a wide variety of fabrics, from the delicate whispers of chiffon and silk to the sturdy whispers of wool and cotton. It treats your garments with the care they deserve, ensuring they look their best without risking damage. However, it's wise to heed the fabric guidelines provided, especially when dealing with delicate or non-ironable materials, to ensure optimal results. And that wraps up our list of the best clothes steamers. We hope this guide assists you in discovering the perfect steamer to meet your needs. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.